Hi, Sally Morin, San Francisco personal injury attorney here, continuing my discussion on the 5 most important things to do when you're negotiating a settlement in your personal injury case. Now that you've established rapport with the insurance adjuster and you now have established boundaries about who controls the information in your case, you now need to make sure that you're getting good quality medical care, okay? This medical care has to be both reasonable and necessary, so you want to make sure you're getting treatment from well-reputed healthcare providers. Insurance companies aren't going to pay for treatment that is by some sort of shady provider or that they feel isn't helping you in your recovery from the accident, okay? So you want to make sure that there's 3 things related with your medical care, okay? As far as getting compensated in a personal injury case. Number 1 is you want to make sure it's reasonably necessary. This means that the treatment is reasonable in cost and it's medically necessary because of the accident, okay? If, for instance, if a surgeon, your orthopedic surgeon recommends a massage, like a $100 massage, to break up some scar tissue related to your injury, that's reasonable and necessary. But if you decide to get a $250 spa massage because you want to relax, well, that's not medically necessary or reasonable, so you won't get compensated for that. Second aspect here is that you want to get treatment very soon after the accident. Ideally, you're getting treated immediately on the scene by ambulance personnel, taken to the ER, that sort of thing. But if not, if your injuries aren't that drastic, you want to seek medical attention the next day by your primary care physician or chiropractor. And so if it's a few days, that's a reasonable delay. Let's say you wait a few months, that's not a very reasonable delay, and you're going to have difficulty recovering for that treatment. Final thing here, you want to make sure your treatment's not excessive. So if you got 50 chiropractic visits for a really small injury, you're not going to get that money back. But if you got 10, 15 acupuncture visits because of pain that was documented in your emergency room visit, well, then you're most likely going to get that covered. So the bottom line is you just want to present reasonable medical care, medical information to the insurance adjuster, and they're more apt to give you a fair and reasonable settlement. All right, stay tuned. We're going to move on to the next aspect of the 5 most important things to do when negotiating a settlement in your personal injury case. Thanks for listening.